Okay, that's our shelf and we're in our shed. We're gonna put it straight to the wall, yeah? Our holes are up there, so we're gonna make new ones, yeah? Now, this is how you use your drill. Take your bit out, put it in reverse, grab all of the end there, just that, not that bit, this bit, yeah? Undo it, out it comes, put it back forward, put your drill bit in, tighten it slowly, otherwise your drill will want to sit at an angle. Yeah, once you've got that, get yourself lined up. Drill your hole through. You could screw both sides, but it's not absolutely necessary. It's entirely up to you. But we've already got a hole there, so we won't bother with that one. We'll screw it at the top, yeah? So again, reverse, grab all of the hand, drills out. Open it a bit more. Screwdriver tip back in, yeah? So we're just going to rest that there. And we're going to cut where we found a screw to go in there. Just need to show ourselves nice and secure. Square in the corner. Get our screw, our drill. Put your drill at the angle you need it to be. Oh, pain in the neck. I'm going to have to put that through the hole first. Yeah, everything all lined up and square. The drill bit is square. I ain't going nowhere. Once you put our other one in there, this same as that is. Okay, it's that easy. Okay, there you go. We've got our screw securely there, and the other one there. You go. Alright, now if we give our shelf a rock, you can see that ain't going nowhere, and you can stack whatever you like on it and it won't fall down, yeah, because I'm still shaking away. You can hear the shed shaking, but the shelf's not moving.